Hello, my name is Rachel Munda, and I would like to talk about the situation in Zimbabwe with the concerning events that have been in the media recently, especially the conviction of Zimbabwe and the other 5 human rights defenders who were convicted for watching the footage of the Egypt uprisings. We've also had the recent reports of 29 non-governmental organizations that were banned in Masvingo. All of these things, to me, point to the fact that the leaders in Zimbabwe continue to push for an election while manipulating the judicial system, and which obviously is causing that deterioration in the human rights situation. And if we continue to push towards this election without the reforms that we agreed upon in the GPA, then I do believe we have a serious problem in Zimbabwe.
And what should be done, what can be done to improve the human rights situation in the country?
I think first and foremost there has to be an accountability, and there needs to be a way of protecting people who need to speak out, because right now it's the human rights defenders that are being targeted, and there's no law, and the judicial system is not protecting them enough to be able to speak out, to be able to operate. Even the non-governmental organizations, they're being crippled by the situation of not having enough protection, not having the law on their side. So I think that is a good starting point. And from the leadership side of things, they really need to be able to be accountable to the people, and also start implementing all the reforms of the GPA. I feel that they need to have a look at the judicial system, and also adhere to the reforms that were agreed upon in the GPA before they push into an election, because all of this is just going to cause unrest in Zimbabwe, and it's just further worsening the situation for ordinary people in the country.
In your opinion, did Zimbabwe and the others break the law?
Freedom of association is against the law in Zimbabwe, and I think things like that need to be looked at again, because it is a basic human right for people to have that freedom to come together, to have that freedom to speak. So they were being crippled by the law, really, because those things are illegal by law, but that is not right. People should be able to come together and speak out, when there's a need to do so.